Your lesson essential question is, how do we multiply by factors of 0 and 1? So, we are multiplying today by factors of 0 and 1. So, yesterday was kind of tricky, 9s. Today we're focusing on 0s and 1s, which are actually the easiest things to multiply by. Let's take a look at this word problem. Kim has 8 plates with 1 orange on each plate. How many oranges does Kira have? So she's got 8 plates, 1 orange on each plate. So she has 8 times 1, or 1 times 8. 8, 1 time. Take a look at my plates. I made an array. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. There's a multiplication property called the identity property, or you can think of it as the ones property. When you multiply a number by 1, the product is that number. So anything times 1 is that number. So 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Anything multiplied by 1, you're going to keep that number because you only have that number one time. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. You can also switch it. So 1 times 4, remember we can switch our factors. So 4 one time is 4. So anything times 1 stays that number. That's the identity property. Then that factor keeps its identity. Super easy, right? Now, if Kira had 4 plates with 0 oranges on each plate, how many oranges does she have? Well, if she's got 4 plates with nothing or 0 on them, we have 4 times 0. Do you see any oranges here? No. So your answer is 0. The 0 property of multiplication says when you multiply a number by 0, the product, or the answer, is 0. So anything times 0, or 0 times anything, equals 0. If you see a 0, you already know your answer, or your product, is going to be 0. You're going to be practicing with 1s and 0s today. It's super easy and it should go super fast for you. So this is a nice little break after those 9s facts.